That night, when Anna was alone, someone spoke to her in English. The voice was calm. It was not loud, but it felt close. It said, "Why are you afraid?" Suddenly, Anna spoke. Her English was clear. Her words were perfect. She was not afraid. She smiled. The voice said, "This power is not magic. It was always inside you. You only forgot to believe." Anna opened her eyes. Morning light filled the room. The voice was gone. The light was gone. At school, the teacher asked, "Anna, can you answer?" Her heart beat fast. But this time, she spoke. Her English was not perfect. She made small mistakes, but she did not stop. And no one laughed. Anna learned something important. Confidence is not magic. It starts when you stop being afraid. Your English doesn't need magic. It needs your voice. Start speaking today.